He started.
So good evening, students. My voice is audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Navneet, how is study going?
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Good. How much you got? You will get in boards. Any idea?
Sir, I'm trying for
As per your
attendance.
preparation, how much you are expecting this time? Any rough estimate? No idea. 90, 80, 70, 100. So what about others? Ajit, Amrut, Anushka, Aravind, Bhavya, Tanvi. How was your preparation going? Daily, how many hours you study? Everyone will tell one by one. So we can start with less marks in previous pre-board exam. Okay, okay. Time management. So, right, that's when I want to ask, how is the preparation going? How you solve the questions and all those things. So right now, I can help you in getting more scores. So Ajit, how many hours you study? Everyone will chat directly. You can send me in chat, individual chat. You can send me how many hours you study daily. Everyone, some strategies you have. Okay, because most of this syllabus means is over. Only we are doing revision. And last 1 minute is there. 1 month is there for final. We can say final touch. 11. Okay. So I got one. I will not tell others. I will. I got response from Bhavya. Sometime. Okay. Fine. I will not tell others also. No problem. So you can inform me. You can tell me how many hours you study daily. Okay. Good. Good. Arvind also good. What about others? Ajit, then Amrut, Anushka, Tanvi, Vijay. I want a response from everyone. Question is simple. How many hours you study daily? Because 1 month is there only. So I got response from Bhavya, Navneet, and then Arvind. Reports are going on. Ajit, okay, fine. Then I got tomorrow, Navneet, you will get the answer. Actually, my laptop was not working, so I got this repaired and then formatted also. So today onwards, sessions are going on nicely. But tomorrow morning we'll get the scores for the last test. No problem. See, Sejal, you have just joined. So how many hours you study daily? Likely you can send me individual chat. I will not tell others. Don't worry. Just I want to know how many hours you are putting on effort because last month is only there, and then I will tell you how many hours are actually we should give in the last month. See, see, hours are only this one we can say based on the how we have preparation of entire year. No, hours we can devote because if we have sincerely studied throughout the year, then at the end means last 1 month or last 2 months less hours will also be fine. Otherwise, we can give more time to studies. So let me write once normally one my observation. Two things are there, especially in science and maths. Maths. One is examples basically of given in book, and then we have exercise questions. In science, we have in-text question. In-text question means between the these are chapters. Within the chapter, we have in-text questions, and then exercise questions. Correct. Same. And then in maths, we have examples and exercise question. Right. So say one chart we can prepare. See, first time means one time. First time is first time we are doing. We'll see in 5 minutes. Then we'll move on to our topic. First time, second time, third time, and fourth time. Correct. And this is before that we can write only we have to study specifically the syllabus which are the topics which are coming to directly every time. You can take printouts, or in this mobile you can always have this syllabus ready of all the basically subjects. One of my student told me that in science we have one more chapter deletion, that is this is the last chapter, I think, environmental chapter. So totally, this you can check in your school from your school teacher. Totally we have 16 chapters in science. Now he's saying okay, this time only 13 chapters will come. 3 chapters, source of energy, environment, and one more chapter, control and coordination, is deleted for this year. Okay, Sejal, good. So syllabus is very important for this year. So examples, if we solve now only one time, let me write the values of marks. This is marks basically. So example, anyone solves example for only example first time, only one time, only example. So he'll get 40%. 40% is actually minimum score. 40 or more than 40, 2 times, then 50, 3 times, then 60, 4 times, 70. Suppose exercise question if you do, then 50, because exercise question more 60. Same question if you repeat now. And last one is important, both. Only NCERT book and only syllabus. That will guarantee you will get 95 plus. Chances are there will get 100 out of 100 also, because deliberately this will year they will set, or actually in all normal years also the questions are very easy. For this year it will be even more easier. This 95 is very easy to score. 100 out of 100 also we can get. And we have third case, both. Both means both example, both in-text question, exercise questions with proper understanding. This will be, this is my normal estimate, 70%, 70 or 80, 80, 90, 100. 100 means 95 to 100 you can take. 100% means 100 marks also you can get. So based on this now you can see how, what is your preparation, what is how many times you have covered. First means one time if you studied both example and exercise question 70. One time ideal is both example and exercise question you have to solve. Second time 2 times you have covered 80, 3 times 90, 4 times you have covered all the examples exercise question 100% marks. And for last one, study how many hours we have to do. See, minimum, see, many instructions are also there we have to follow. So that I will share before the examination. Say minimum 8 hours is compulsory, and maximum we can go to up to 12 hours, because sufficient rest is also required. See, 8 hours is minimum study, and then plus we can say 8 hours sleep. Sleep you can have in night and one time 8 hours, or we can say in night 6.5, day 1.5, or night 6 plus 2. Like this also we can do, or straight 8 hours in night plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 hour other activities. Here it will be 8 hours sleep. That is also important, because with fresh mind we have to study, and 4 hour other activities like getting ready, and then eating food and all those things. So minimum 8 hours try to study, and maximum 12 hours. Correct. And give more time to maths and science, and social also, because English India takes less time, but maths, science, and social gives, you can give more time. Now coming to our topic, that is triangle chapter. We'll see concepts, then this now exercise questions. In last session we had environment is there in Navneet is saying. No problem. So Navneet, nice to told me. So you can check in your school, yeah, from your school teacher, and then you can follow your school teacher. This now, whatever she or he says. So triangle is the chapter which we have to complete now. Right, circle I have opened here. 1 second. Circle. So based on this now first, second, third, fourth time, how many times you've covered? That is important thing because many times you have to solve NCERT only because 95% straightforward question they will ask and 5% modification is there. Modification is mainly value change. Hardly in some other different question they will ask. So mostly same question. Second thing, we are doing triangle chapter. Let me open the PDF. 1 second. So in triangle chapter, we have similarity concept this time. Last year we have this now cases of congruency. So how we can say two triangles are similar? How we can say two triangles are similar? See, first one we have seen in our previous ninth standard. Two triangles are congruent when both the angles, all the angles and all the sides are equal. This is triangle ABC and we have triangle, suppose PQR, correct. So all the angles will be equal and all the sides will also be equal. So basically we can say these two triangles are congruent. Suppose this is 70 degree, then 70, 60, then 60, then 50, then 50. So triangle we can say ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by side triple S criteria. Or we can say triple A also because all the angles are equal. We can say triple A also. But in similarity case now, many conditions are there for congruency. For similarity case, how we can see, how we can have this case, triangle can be small triangle also because similar means not exactly same. Triangle can be this triangle ABC and other triangle can be this much big. And then we know by which conditions are two angles are equal. Suppose angle A is equal to angle Q. For example, suppose 70 degree. This is 70 degree. And C is equal to, C is basically 50 degree. So C is equal to P, 50 degree. So my question is, what will be triangle? Which triangle will be similar? Triangle, how we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle? Which one is correct? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, first option, or second option, triangle BAC is similar to triangle QPR, or third option, triangle CAB is similar to triangle RPQ, or fourth option, triangle ABC similar to triangle Q, then P and R. Which one? Which option? ABCD. Which, how we can write similarity, because two angles are similar. So we can say both the triangles are similar by double A criteria. Double A means double triple A also we can say because two angles are equal. So automatically third angle will be equal. So how we can say, how we can write basically triangle notation? Anyone?
So triangle ABC is similar to triangle.
Option right. Apurva have answered me. Please give me answer. I can see 11 of you have joined, 10 of you basically except me. So I got answer from Apura and Bhavya and both are having right answer. Navneet and others can also try. So which will be the option for writing this triangle? This is very basic question we can say. Everyone send me the answer. Triangle, you have to mention triangle name, like option value, no problem. See, now we'll see the answer. So every time now you have to see, understand the pattern. See, angle A is equal to angle Q. Angle A is equal to angle Q. So A will be along with Q. A then Q, not P. A is there, so this will be Q. This should be Q, not P. This answer option A incorrect. Now we start with B. So B will having same angle as R. We will go with R. So B, then R is not there, Q. Then option B is incorrect. C. C will go with C is 50, which is 50 P. C will go with P. C then P should come, not R. Option C incorrect. A is there. A will go with Q. So A, Q, correct. B will go with R because that will be same, correct. B with R. C will go with P. C will go with P, correct. Option D is the right answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second
No,
thing,
sir.
let me this now download this book. 1 second. By the time, second question. You have to mention this quadrilateral is similar or not. You have to say yes or no. Similar means not same, but this now. P Q R S A B C D. So this is suppose 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Then we have 105 degree. (105 degree), 70, 70, 85, 85, 100 degree. Dot means degree. 100 degree. So same question now. We have to tell me which, how we can write the first one. We have to say okay, this will be similar or not. Then if it's similar, option 1, yes, similar. And then we can write the, actually this is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, how we can write? This is quadrilateral, PQRS, similar to quadrilateral. Carefully observe the sequence and let me know the answer. A, B, C, D. Option B, no. No means no need to write also. Second C option, yes. And then quadrilateral, R, S, P, Q, similar to quadrilateral, A, C. This will not be there. 1 second. R, S. Let me reverse the order. One second, one second. Values, the length is same. Value we can modify because five to get the proper sequence. AC, not ABCD. Okay. D, yes. PQ, RS, quadrilateral. AD, CB. Which one option? Option. Okay. I got answer from Bhavya and Tanvi. Apurva also. Sejal, other Navneet, okay. Navneet, the option only you can write. No need to write full. Quadrilateral, okay. PQRS, ABCD. Option A. Most of you are saying option A. So option A for every. Bhavya, you can check once. Means for this question now you can see because earlier we had some other values. So
So I kept it D option.
right. So this will be say PQRS. So this will be PQRS. We'll see P value 105. P will be matching with A. So PA, then Q100, then correct P100, then R value 70. So C value 70, S value 85, D value 85. Option, it should be option A, no? Because angles will be equal and sides will be in ratio 1:2. Sides are in ratio of 1:2. First for triangle PQRS, any if you take respective sides are in ratio, that is PS is 1, then AD is 2, SR 2, then CD 4, QR 2, 3, 6, and then PQ 4, then 8. That means angle we can match and we can write the sequence. PQRS, P is 105, so A is 105, Q100, then B100, R70, C70, and S85, then D85, right? Correct. This is the one case. So everyone answer is correct. Option A will be the answer. Fine. Now we'll move next one. Suppose we have this type of triangle. This type of basically quadrilateral. One is square ABCD of this now 5 centimeter width and here we can say one parallelogram like this. Actually we can say rhombus also. So this is we can say having 10 centimeter side PQRS, A, then PQRS, then 10, 10, 10, or we can draw big diagram also, no, not an issue. So the question is whether they will similar or not, because we know this is P Q R S. 10 centimeter is this side. This we can say rhombus also because tilted form of square is rhombus. So now this will be similar or not. First option, yes, quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Then A, no.
So
Suppose
PQRS is a rhombus, right?
say rhombus, all the sides are equal, but this is now say this we can say is a parallelogram, not rhombus. Means parallelogram is this will be we can say parallelogram with opposite sides because rhombus have this not this angle 90 degree. So this will be some other angle. No? This will be let me change the diagrams a bit. See this will be not 90 degree. If you take 90 degree, then it is normal observation. Seems equal to 90 degree, but actually this is the diagram. So this will not be 90 degree. This is basically we can say normal observation. We can see this is not 90 degree. So this will be near about 100 or 110 degree something. So now we can solve. This will be 80 because opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. This will be 110 once again. 110, 110, 110 to 20 plus 160. Oh, this will be 70, I think. 70, 70 because 70, 70, 140. So 220 plus 140 will be 360, correct. So no, third option, yes, quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral RQ, yes. Option D, yes, quadrilateral CBAD, similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Option will be okay. All of you have given answer. Right. D is final, final, final. No, no, no. Okay. Right. Everyone got the answer. Amrut, why you got C option? Because it is similar. How it is similar? See, for similarity now we have the condition. Sides will be in a ratio. Sides, so basically respective sides will be in the same ratio. So this condition is matching because 5 by 10 for all the sides 1 by 2 ratio, 1 by 2 ratio, no doubt in that. 1 by 2 ratio, correct. But angles should also be equal. No? Angles are equal. Angles are equal. Angles should be equal. Equal means all the angles should be equal. Because we have the angle criteria means if in a triangle two angles are equal, that means automatically third angle will also be equal because 180 minus these two angles, third angle will also be equal. So basically we can say all the three angles are respective angles are equal into similar triangles. So angles are not equal. 90, this is 110, 90, then 70, 90, then 70, then 90, 110. So basically not similar because angles are not same. Angles should be same. Then we can say.
It is similar.
Similar, correct.
Yeah, sir.
Otherwise not. Sides will be in ratio and angles should be same. Sides will be in ratio, angles will be same. Now moving, this was the first exercise. Some question we have seen. So clearly we have to see angles are equal not for two quadrilateral, two triangles, and then we will come to sides. Sides will be in the same ratio, and angles will be exactly same. Not angles some ratio. Angles will be should be having same value. Now moving to this second exercise. So we have this one theorem. What theorem says that we have one triangle and ABC suppose, and one line is drawn from this now. Line is drawn from this AB and CD, meeting AB and CD at D and E, and basically this line DE is parallel to BC, base BC of the triangle ABC. So D is parallel to base BC of this triangle. So this D will divide the side AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by dB will be equal to AE by AC. This is very important. You can say concept that line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides at positions at distinct points between D and E. So other sides are divided in the same ratio, means AD by BD will be equal to AE by AC, we can say. And see, proofs are this not proofs can be asked, but chances are very less. So how we can prove this one? DE, see, two proofs are deleted from this portion. We can say which one? One was ratio of area of the two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the sides. Square of the ratio of the sides. And one more proof, that Pythagoras theorem, one proof was there, that was deleted. Other proofs can be asked, but chances are less, but we can practice. See how we can prove this one. Suppose you have to prove that if a line is drawn D parallel to BC, then this D will divide the two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by DB or BD equal to AE by AC. Please try in 5 minutes this proof, and then we'll see questions based on this proof, because second exercise is based on the simple proof only.
Sir, is AD by BD is equal to AE by EC given?
We have to prove no. This is given.
So we have to prove both of them.
Because this is reverse of this theorem, that this is given. Let me write one second. This we have to prove AD by BD equal to AE by EC, and given is D parallel to BC. So proper question is, from this are two points D and E. So this is meeting AB at point D and AC at E, such a way that D is parallel to BC. So this D will divides point D and E will divide the two sides, basically AB and AC, in the same ratio, that is AD by DB will be equal to AE by AC. So this AD by DE will be equal to AE by EC. Three minutes for this proof now, then we'll see questions. Anyone got the proof? Completed. See, for proving no, here we have small construction. We'll draw one perpendicular from E to D. Find the basically from area we will find this proof. So this E n we can say is perpendicular to AD, and from D also will draw perpendicular to side AE, and this we can take as M. So when proof we write draw. This is draw TM perpendicular to AE and EN perpendicular to AD side. Now area we can find area of triangle ADE, keeping this AD base to half into AD base into EN, because on base now perpendicular comes. This is base AD, so perpendicular will be EN. Again area of triangle A, this now ED, ADE same as AD, AD is same as AED, same, but this time we'll take base AE. This time we'll take base AE. This will half into A into DM. Correct. Now second thing, we'll join DE and then CD. Why? To get two triangles below this DE. So area, two triangles above DE we have to remember, and two triangles below DE. Two triangles above DE will be AD, same thing, AD and then DEA or AED. So ADE will take AD base, so area of triangle will be half into AD into EN. When we take AE base, half into this now A into DM. Now two triangles below this DE, area of triangle we write BDE half into base BD into EN, because see base is we can say, see base is we can say base is BD, but altitude will be EA, and for this now triangle CDE, base will be CE, but altitude will be DM, because now C altitude can be on. Okay, good, Bhavya. So you have completed this question. Good. So